Imagine a tiny moment, barely noticeable, that silently shapes your entire day. It's the moment when you once again say yes to someone, while inside you whisper a quiet no to yourself. You promise to help, you respond, you carry other people's emotions, desires, plans, and all of it at your own expense. You feel tired, you feel a deep imbalance, yet you continue. Because being useful, kind, convenient feels safe. Because you're afraid of what will happen if one day you say, I choose myself. This video didn't appear by accident. It found you at the moment when something inside started to whisper, this can't go on. And today, you'll learn what happens to a person who stops being an endless source for others and becomes a source for themselves. In this video, you'll discover why you're losing your inner strength, how to restore your sense of value, what it means to become limited, and how this simple shift opens a new life where your worth is no longer defined by others. When a person constantly gives themselves to the world, they lose something vital, the connection with their own inner home. This is the place where you feel grounded, safe, valued without external validation. The original text contains a powerful moment. A person honestly says, "From this moment on, I choose myself." And suddenly a door opens, not metaphorically, but energetically into another version of life. Shifting your focus inward reveals something surprising. There's a goal inside you, a calling, a direction you've been ignoring. Not because you don't want it, but because your true power is hidden there. And real power can be frightening. But when you turn toward it, your life begins to change. New people, new opportunities, new paths. Become limited might sound cold, but the meaning is liberating. Being limited means acknowledging that your energy is not infinite. It means giving yourself permission to say no when saying yes destroys your balance. It means accepting that saving everyone is not your mission. When you stop leaking energy, your true strength reveals itself. And you'll notice something else. Many people fill their emptiness with books, achievements, skills, thinking, if I become smart or useful, then I'm worthy. But your worth begins with one truth. I exist, and that is enough. This message describes a moment where a person closes their eyes and sees themselves from within. This is not poetic language. This is a shift of consciousness. When you look inward without fear, you feel a warm, rising spiral of strength. You hear a message. You are already enough. You are powerful. You are the source. You don't need external anchors. You don't need to fill the void with knowledge or achievements. You don't need to prove anything. The moment you accept yourself, the emptiness disappears, and the true inner power awakens. When you stop being endlessly available, life begins to rebuild itself. You stop losing energy. You stop chasing validation. You stop seeking love in places where it never appears. You become who you were meant to be, a person who follows their own path, uses their strength consciously, and influences the world without sacrificing themselves. Your happiness begins not with others, but with the moment you say, I come first, then others. If this message reached you, your transformation has already started. And if you want more deep content like this, support the channel and subscribe. There's much more ahead.